Jesus, you scared the shit out of me. What are you guys doing here? Oh my God, I was only just thinking about you the other day. How have you been? I've really missed you guys. I know I haven't been around for a couple of months. Laziness is the main reason, but yeah, I can fill you in on what's been happening over the last couple of months while I clean my bedroom, if you like. Come on, let's go.
So first of all, how did we get to September already? I don't even know where this year's gone, and for all I care, it can just pee off. What a right shit show 2020's turned out to be, right? Oh my God. Well, what have we been up to? So March came, and so did COVID. So pretty much since March, I've been working from home, which I must say, it's probably the only good thing that has come out of all this COVID stuff is that I finally get to work from home, which has been awesome. I am loving every minute of it. And it's basically giving me back 2 hours of my life by not having to travel every day. So that's been great. But, this is me all over. I had all these grand plans with that extra 2 hours a day that I'm getting. I'm going to spend one of those hours exercising, and the other hour I'm going to spend doing multiple projects around the house and filming them for YouTube and blah, 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 blah. Do you think I've done any of it? I mean, look at me, guys. I have literally gained the quarantine 15. But not 15 pounds. No. Lisa does things properly. She's gone and done at least 15 kilos. So yes, that's another point in my life that I need to start getting on track, and hopefully filming for YouTube as well. So I got to get back onto my keto. I got to get into some sort of exercise routine and hopefully film it for you guys and take you along with me if any of you need a bit of extra motivating during these weird times. That's the one thing that I've found really strange in all this is just the lack of motivation or energy to do anything. Like I don't know, I would have thought during these times I would have had more motivation to get things done, but I don't know what it was. It was just like being locked in your house or everything's being shut down and all that sort of thing. I just felt like, oh, what's the point, So that's mainly why I haven't really gotten into doing anything. I don't know if that's an excuse or what, but that's just the way I've felt the last couple of months. So yeah, I'm trying to get myself out of that slump now. So that is why I'm back and hopefully getting myself motivated and maybe helping you guys get motivated too if you're feeling the same way. And another thing that I've been doing over this time, I mean, saying that I haven't had motivation to do anything, but I have been really like decluttering my house a bit as well. I found that being in it all day long and surrounded by so much stuff all day long, I was getting not anxious isn't the word, but I think overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that we have. So even though I haven't filmed it for YouTube because I just wasn't motivated to film and edit and do all that, I've been going through my house and decluttering quite a lot as well, getting rid of a lot of stuff that's just there for decor. I mean, I've obviously still kept some decor, but getting rid of a lot of additional stuff that was cluttering up the house and trying to streamline it a little bit. And you'll probably see in my bathroom, I used to have a big wooden 3-tiered stand sitting on my countertop. And when I looked at it, it was mostly filled with just decor stuff. And I thought, like, why? Why have I got it cluttering up my counter when now I've just changed it for this tray? And I've got a couple of little mason jars holding earbuds, cotton wipes and cotton buds, stuff that we actually use and that's functional and it still looks a little bit decorative. So yeah, I've been going through my house and streamlining a lot of the stuff as well and just selling a lot of stuff that I don't want. So I mean, I have been doing something, but just not a lot. I've also filmed quite a few little decor makeover videos as well. Someone I know had asked me to give a makeover to some nautical decor that they have, and it was very dated stuff and they wanted a more of a neutral look to the decor. So I've got a whole heap. I mean, if you guys are into nautical rustic style decor or that coastal look, yeah, I've got a couple of videos coming up showing you how I've given those pieces a makeover, and I really, really enjoyed doing it because coastal decor is not really my thing, but I really do love the look of it. So yeah, I've got a couple of videos coming up showing you how I've given all those a makeover. What else? I've also got another video, like a little haul video coming up. I've just recently purchased a couple of new books and a few new notebooks and stationery items from Kmart. So I'll be showing you those. I'm just waiting on one more book to arrive before I show you that, and I can just show you a big collective haul. What else have I got? I do have a few decor videos as well coming up. We've nearly finished our theatre room now. Just got to paint a couple of more pieces of furniture in that room, as well as do a few DIY decor stylings in that room. And then I will show you a room reveal in the theatre room, which I'm so happy is nearly finished. And we've actually been using it now as well, so it's been really good. And I still have a couple of projects around the house that I want to finish as well. So yeah, they will be coming up. So yeah, I've all of a sudden got a big rush of motivation to get everything done. Not sure if I'm going to get to any Halloween videos this year. I'm not even sure if I'm going to decorate for Halloween this year, if I'm honest. Just the thought of dragging it all out of the garage and setting it all up, it's just, oh my God. I just don't think I can do it this year, guys. I think I just want to spend the rest of this year just getting my life together. Still a few things I want to finish in the house. I want to get my body on track, my life on track. So I think I'm just going to concentrate for whatever's left of this year, getting that sorted so that I can start 2021 fresh and new. I mean, I probably will decorate for Christmas. Probably not as crazy as I normally do, but I just don't know about Halloween this year, guys. I'm just not in the Halloween spirit at the moment. There's just too much other stuff in my head that I want to get done before the year's out, so that I can just start the new year fresh. So yeah, that's where I'm at. So I'm just in my wardrobe getting some new shower products for my shower, because there's a few things I'm running low. But I wanted to show you guys this find. If you guys are like, what do we call us? Are we Generation X? I don't know. Whatever we are, grew up in the 90s. Do you guys remember this? Revlon Flex? Oh my God, this was my go-to shampoo and conditioner as a teenager. I absolutely loved it. My favorite one was the purple one, which I think was the moisturizing one. But I found these with like this, they stopped selling this in Australia years and years ago, and I was so disappointed. And yeah, found these in the Reject Shop. So if you guys are in Australia, yeah, Reject Shop is selling them. They do sell out pretty quick. So if you want to get in there, you have to get in quick when they put them on the shelves. But here in Port, we've got 2 Reject Shops in Port, and both of them have got stacks of them. Well, they had stacks of them when I got these. I stocked up. I got about 6 of each, so I stocked up. I'm good and well. They had these, the blue one and the brown one. I think the brown one was for oily hair, if I remember correctly. I don't have oily hair. If anything, it's a bit dry, so that's why I used to like the purple one, which I think was for dry hair, more of a moisturizing one. But yeah, oh my God, and it still smells the same. Like that's why I loved it so much. My hair used to be super soft every time I use it, and I've just started using it again, and it's exactly the same formula. Makes my hair so soft, and oh, the smell is just amazing. I absolutely love the smell. So yeah, little tip, if you're in Australia, Reject Shop. And if you remember this, let me know in the comments below, because I posted this on the Reject Shop, like a Reject Shop fan page, saying, hey guys, this is what I found today. And that post went crazy. Like everyone was like, yeah, I remember that. That was my favorite too. So yeah, if you need it, get it, Reject Shop. So I'm just cleaning off my vanity here as well. And my God, have I decluttered some of my makeup. Now, I mean, if you're looking at this, you'll probably still think that's an absurd amount of makeup, but I did go through a stage where I was collecting makeup, and I just had like tons and tons and tons. So I've actually gone through and decluttered a lot of my makeup and have basically dwindled it down to what you see here. So that little acrylic organizer that's in the middle there, that's what I sort of put out for me to use during the week, and all the stuff in the drawers is like overflow stuff. Oh my God, look at my lipsticks. Can you believe that is the decluttered after of my lipsticks? That drawer makes me so happy. Speaking of making me happy, the little ray of sunshine that is in my life at the moment that makes me so happy is Kimberly Wad from the Wads on YouTube. I have just discovered these guys recently, and I'm subscribed and I'm hooked, and I think you will be too. I will leave a link to their channel below if you want to check them out. She is so funny and you feel like she's your best friend. I just love her to bits, and I look forward to every video that she brings out. So check her out if you want a good laugh. She's just such good value and so down to earth, so real, so normal. You'll definitely relate to her. I love her to bits. And if you do go and check her out, tell her I sent you. I want to be best friends. Well, here we are, guys. The bedroom's finished. I've updated you on what's going on. I've got a few actual projects going on in this bedroom too. I'm going to be changing this picture. I'm going to be moving that in the hallway. I'm going to be moving this one more towards the middle and putting some shutters on either side of it. Oh, and that Sweet Dreams banner, I didn't actually do a video of me making that exact banner, but if you want to know how to make it, I will leave a link below to my Merry Christmas banner that I made. Basically exactly the same, but I've just done a Sweet Dreams one for every day, and I've got a Merry Christmas one that I put up at Christmas time. So yeah, that wall's going to be changing a little bit. I have moved my big trunk in here as well, and that will be getting a makeover as well. I'm going to be painting that white and distressing it to match all my other suitcases there. My favorite linen storage cupboard. I love this thing to bits. It is just my favorite. I got these from my dad. I'm not sure if I showed these in a video yet. They're just pictures that came with the frames. They don't mean anything. I've got to probably put some pictures in there eventually. But yes, have a look. A piece de resistance. I'm so glad I'm doing a voiceover because, yeah, without a doubt, I get a lawnmower going past while I'm filming. So, yes, finished my bed. We've just gone for a plain white this time. No throw rugs or anything like that because it's getting to be quite warm now, and it's just extra blankets we don't need on the bed. This actual quilt cover was from Kmart, I believe, a while ago, and I'm so upset because it's got a big rip on one of the covers. I've got to try and see if I can stitch it, but I don't know if it can be fixed, so I'm really not happy about that. But yes, how lovely does it look when it's all clean and all nice. And I've changed out my shelves as well, again with that whole sort of decluttering a little bit. I've just sort of put a few pieces up that I really like. And yeah, my makeup. I'm actually starting to wear makeup again now, just to get into that routine of, you know, getting up, getting dressed, having a shower, looking presentable even if you're not leaving the house. Bathroom's all clean again. I was just telling you guys about that tray. Instead of having that big tiered shelf there, now we've got the tray. I'll see if I can insert a picture of the shelf that used to be there. I just think it looks a lot more streamlined now, a lot less cluttered. And yeah, I've changed out all of this around the bath as well, so I've just got a few bath salts there, the towel clearly. But yeah, well, anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, watching me clean and getting a bit of a life update. Next videos that will be coming out will be a few of those nautical decor videos, so stay tuned for that. And I hope to see you guys on the regular very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.